Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your theme over on Firefox, just like over what I did basically on the thumbnail. So basically, if you want to change your entire theme, so this background, this default background, and also your search bar and all those kind of things, then here's how you can change that theme. So the first thing we need to do is open Firefox and head over to the top right corner of our screen at those three little stripes, and then hover down until you find settings right here. Once you've done that, go to the bottom left corner of the screen at extensions and themes, and then you can choose whatever theme you like. So I basically enabled this theme as what I basically saw on the thumbnail. So I'm going to use this theme right here. You can already see that this top part of our Firefox is now looking really cool. Now let's say that we also want to change this theme right here. Then in order to do this, what you need to do is head over to the search bar right here, and we're going to use an extension called Bonjour with double R. It's really important to type it in. And once you've done that, you can click on that extension just like this, and then click on Add to Firefox. Once you've done that, go to the top right and click on Add again. And basically once you've done that, you will already notice that this extension is now working. Now what you can do is head over to the bottom right corner of your screen at that settings icon, and once you've done that, you can of course basically change a lot of different things right here. The first thing I would recommend changing is basically changing the background type, so you can click right here, and then what you can do is actually change it to any local file on your computer. So let's say that I want to change it to this file that I literally just downloaded a few seconds. Then all I need to do is click on open just like this, and then you will notice that that background is now being used. Then you can also change basically the brightness and the blurriness, which is also pretty cool. And then you have some other important things here as well, such as quick links, which you can add. So let's say that I want to add Google to my basically my quick link panel. Now what I can do is type in the name, type in the website, and you can also change the style from medium, as you guys can see, to large and all those kind of things. And once you've done that, you will automatically notice here quick links. And that's basically all you need to do. You have some other things here as well, but you can play around it with yourself. And that's basically how you can change your theme over on Firefox. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.